Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to log into your ANZ Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL anz.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to their website and click on the login button at the top of the page. After that, you'll have to enter some of the informations that you use to log into your ANZ Bank account. So first thing you need to do is enter your customer registration number. Once you do that, you'll have to enter your password. So enter that. After you fill in your information, click on login in order to log into ANZ Bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your ANZ Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.